Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this cool hexagon shelf that can make you a lot of money. Let's get to it. All you need for this build today is a 1x4 and your wood glue and brad nails. First thing as always guys, throw on them safety glasses. Next guys, we're going to take our 1x4 and head over to the miter saw. Now that we're over here at the miter saw, you want to have your miter saw set up to a 30-degree angle. And we went ahead and made an initial cut, and then like I said, we got a stop block here that is set up to 8 inches. So that's going to be real easy. We can just push our board up and make our cuts. Let's get to cutting. I forgot to tell you guys, we're going to make 6 cuts. Alright guys, after we're done getting our 6 cuts out at 8 inches with our 30-degree angle, we are now going to sand up our 6 pieces to 220. Now guys that we got our 6 pieces nice and sanded up to 220, it's time to assemble this bad boy. Let's get to it. This process is very simple guys. You're just going to take your one piece, put you some wood glue on there, get your other piece that you're going to be connecting to it, a little bit of wood glue, rub it in there, same thing with this one, and then all you're going to do, take your pieces, connect them just like so. Come over to your side. Shoot a brad nail. Then we'll shoot more too. We'll probably do like 2 in each. But that's the process. We're going to go ahead and go around the whole thing and finish her up. Alright guys, so after you put all them pieces together, this is what she should be looking like. A nice little hexagon. So the next part of this is we are going to stain. The stain of the day, you can barely see it, but it is red oak. And that's what we're going to be putting on there. So we're going to shake her up and start staining. Alright guys, so this is what she looks like when she's done. We got her all stained up, everything's looking nice. This is a beautiful hexagon shelf. Like I said, I've seen some on Etsy, they're selling for like 25 to 35 bucks just for one of them. But if you sell them as a set, like 2 or 3, I've seen they can go for like 100 bucks, 120, somewhere in there. But either way, I just wanted to give y'all another nice shelf build. I know y'all like the other one I made, and I thought this one was really cool too, so here it is. But other than that guys, if you like this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on the post notification, and if you want to be a VIP member, make sure you hit that join button beside the subscribe button. And other than that, we will catch you in the next one. Peace.